but still I wanted more, more, more. I gave a second chance to Cupid, but now I'm looking, feeling stupid. All the way it makes me feel that love isn't real. Cupid is so dumb. I look for his arrows every day. I guess he got lost or flew away.